channel. Today's topic, we're going to be talking about breathing and having fun. Breathing is so important. Breathing is like the most important thing. Sometimes we forget to breathe, yo. Breathe, take deep breath. Go out for a ride. Breathe in that prana. Breathe in that prana, that consciousness. That consciousness. Riders. Breathe in that consciousness. It's time for us to ascend. It's time for us to ascend. We forgot to breathe a lot. Most of the time we're shallow breathing. So in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to breathe deeply and profoundly. So what you want to do is you want to ground yourself. You want to be barefoot, okay? You gotta take your shoes off. You gotta take your shoes off to do this. Oh my god, it's so much fun. So you gotta take your shoes off. You gotta get on the grass or on sand, right? And then you gotta ground yourself. You gotta connect your energy with the earth resident energy. You combine the two and you breathe. You take a really long inhale. Woo! And then you exhale. Trust me, it might sound like, you know, a little spontaneous, but you're gonna feel the really good. You're gonna feel really good afterwards. And then the secret is that get some Baja Gold salt. Mineralize your body. You gotta put the mineral in your body early in the morning, right away, to mineralize. I can't pronounce that word. I think it's this helmet. It's like pressing against my cheeks. I can't really talk properly. Mineralize your body early in the morning. Okay. Sorry. Mineralize your body in the morning, and you breathe. You breathe in. Breathe in. You breathe in with your nose. Take a deep breath. Breathe out with your mouth. And as you're breathing, you have to think. You have to think like you're breathing in. Literally, you're breathing in consciousness, right? Because without breathing, without air or oxygen, which they say oxygen, you know, in fact, the air has more than oxygen and hydrogen and all the element. I feel like the air is like literally the main component that keeps us alive. You know what I mean? It's like more than oxygen, you know? Yee! I feel like the air, the oxygen, is more than just air. It's like you're literally breathing in life, because without it you wouldn't have life. So see how important that is? It's a little bright out here. It gets really hot now in Florida. Really, really hot. Cause it's summer. Hello, it's summer. That explains it. Man, I have so much fun on this bike. This bike is just incredible. It's so fast. You know, you never get bored of it, because it just, when you get on it, you know, you give it the gas and the power. It just puts a really big smile on my face every time, man. This thing is no joke. No joke. We got another rider here. He's on a Harley. But yeah, like I was saying, you're breathing in, literally breathing in consciousness, and that's it's so important. So don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Don't forget to breathe it in. I feel like I have orgasm every time I ride this bike. Every time I go really fast, or every time I feel the accelerations. Oh yeah, just you get that little quick fix of adrenaline, you know. It accelerates so fast, bro. I would have hit that bird. I would have hit that bird if I would have went a little bit faster. I would have hit that pelican. I wonder if you guys saw that bird. That birdie.